know what's worse than a bad joke? When someone starts telling an interesting story, and somewhere, as soon as the story begins to get juicier and juicier and juicier, that person forgets the punchline to the entire story. Yeah, annoying, right? So, in this video, I set out to finish that story and bring some people on a promised food journey that they would never forget. Or so I'd hope.
What do you think, bro?
It looks amazing. Amazing nature.
Amazing, right?
And the air?
The air is cool, fresh.
Fresh. Real fresh. Alright guys, so we are here. It's been a long journey, and like I promised, I'm gonna make these guys that porridge, a plantain carrot porridge that I said I was gonna do. So I thought it'd be cool to carry them up here to this waterfall. They've never been up here before. I think it's a whole vibe, so we're gonna get right into that video. Again, if you love videos like these, drop a like on the video, or if you're interested on doing a hangout, you know, coming to do some cooking out or whatever the case is, drop it in the comments, let me know, hit me up on Instagram, and if we can make it happen, I definitely will.
And of course, we don't know that Keanu is here on the video today. Why, Pri?
I'm here.
Is that your second time by the waterfalls, eh?
Yeah, second time, and I'm loving it. It's beautiful. It's Jamaica.
Yeah, it's a
I love
vibe.
Jamaica.
Of course, dude already here cutting up them trees. Bro, remember we got global warming. You can't be chopping down the trees.
I'm planting
bro.
them too.
You're planting them too? We just get this joke, dog. Vibes. so we had this in there for a while, boiling up. Now we're gonna add some ginger. I keep it kind of big so I can find it. The time is right. I feel maybe about a half teaspoon of salt in there. And we have this that they just grated up. Again, when I do porridge is the concept is almost like it's like a pastry, isn't it? But just in liquid form. So you might have already had carrot punch that has milk in it, or banana punch, whatever the case is. So might seem a bit strange, but yeah, I've never had a carrot porridge before. I just thought I already did a banana porridge with Raj already, so why not make this one different by adding a bit of carrots, give us some additional nutrients. Let's go leave this for a while and let it boil down. Coconut oil. Dude got the munchies, bro. Dude is ready. How does it taste? Like almost like hominy? Is it good? How does it taste?
Like it was nice vanilla flavor.
Nice enough flavor?
Mhm.
Awesome, man. The sun just came back out. What I'm gonna make my cousin do really quick is to make a quick thickener. You can use cornstarch, but I have some flour, so we're gonna make some flour. You're gonna make it runny, kind of runny, but thick runny. You understand? So now I'm just gonna take out the ginger. I'll also take out the cinnamon. There's one more piece of ginger in there somewhere. Anyway. You have to mix this fast because it will lump up if you don't. I can literally feel the porridge giving me resistance.
Putting up a resistance, baby.
Even if it's not alone. Like I said, mix it really quick, because if you barely but mix it, it's gonna have like lumps. That's from the nutmeg skin. And that thing packs a bunch of flavor. It's ridiculous, man.
They're excited that you call this bit is the Soai famous porridge, you know. Yeah, so what we gonna move. This here has mash up the boy pot. Alright. Yeah, look on the porridge like you say you want more. You want more? Come.
No, okay.
Yeah? You sure? Alright, so look at the vibe.
It's hot.
You like it?
Nice and sweet.
Nice and sweet. Oh, yeah, also.
This should hit.
Why wouldn't always?
Was it porridge worth the wait? It's almost
Definitely.
a month. Definitely worth the wait.
Definitely.
Appreciate that, bro. Wait, if you're gonna rate this porridge out of 10, honest answer.
Like honestly, 10. Like it's super sweet.
Honestly, a 10?
Like really.
Oh, we got a 10 for that, yo. And I told them before they left the car, I was just like, yo, be brutally honest. I don't want, like, if it doesn't taste good, don't taste good. What do you think? As a Jamaican, you know what the porridge, I mean, it's different. There's carrot in there. What do you
Yeah,
think?
tastes like a mini can.
Tastes like how many carrots?
But yeah, it's a good food. Great.
Really good. You need bread with yours or no?
Nope.
No. In our culture, like, if you don't have enough porridge, like, make it more filling, we add some bread. Some people break it up and toss bread inside. All right, man, good vibe.
Goodbye.
So I have the official taste tester. We know you guys like his review, but generally, can't always have Keanu give the review all the time. So, Keanu.
But Keanu will be giving his review.
Mm-hmm.
And my review is are the best porridge I've ever drinking in my life.
Keanu.
No, yeah. Brother, who thought about this? You see the bread? The bread naturally have a additional sweetness to it.
Yeah, white bread.
So I can tell you, without sugar, with sugar, without, I don't even know what to say, man.
Nice.
Porridge is magnificent. Okay. Different. Don't eat the same food. Exploration. Always good.
The butter part. You turn the butter part.
Yeah. You see the butter, the ginger, and the wait, what the next up name?
Yeah, because I've gotten comments already. People say ginger, them never
Yeah.
hear about that. So what you first time you ever have it?
It's a perfect balance because guess what? It's not overpouring, trust me.
Yeah.
It's just a slight hint of it.
Yeah.
The butter, as I said,
What do you think about the use of butter or margarine?
First time seeing it. It's not a problem. You should try it.
give the pie a smoother,
Yes.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the coconut oil flavor as well. So it's a well flavorful
Dish.
porridge. Yeah.
Mad. Samuel, what is the water like? It's nice? And she's freezing. She's dying, y'all. Alright, Trouble, aka Dennis. Tell me now, like, I like having females come on the trips for a specific reason, which is you guys interact differently out here sometimes. What is the experience like?
The female, it's not bad.
It's not bad. You watch the vlogs, you say you like the outdoor stuff, right?
Yep.
Now that you're in the outdoors and you feel the mosquitoes, you feel how cold the water is, because the water is pretty cold.
Yeah, it's alright. Cold, but alright.
Yeah. What about you? What's your vibe? Yo, you are just chill. I like your vibe. You don't talk much. You're just freaking chill. What you feel like being in Jamaica? Like, would you tell anyone, even though the water is cold? I mean, where you're from, it's a cold country.
Not really cold water.
Yeah, but for your country, it's cold.
Yeah,
it's
my
not.
country's cold.
This is warm compared to your country. What would you say to people who sometimes encounter experiences, like travel experiences that they always wanted, but they're afraid to actually engage in it?
You just gotta go for it all the time.
Because it's a one time YOLO. You only live once. You know what I'm saying?
you're gonna regret that shit. If you don't go, don't experience, don't do that shit, you're gonna all your life like
I
done
should
that.
have. When you see the pictures of this place, you're like, ah, you know, I never went in. Yeah, and that's her. She was like, I don't want to go in. Yeah, it is cold. In all honesty, it's really cold.
Yeah, so definitely, this is why I like having persons on the vlogs in general, because everyone gets to appreciate it differently. Like for some reason, mosquitoes don't really bother me as much. But them, like they were getting bitten by mosquitoes or whatever. But that's a part of nature. Coming out here, trying the food, seeing the struggles or whatever. But at the end of the day, when you look back at the video, you look back at the experience. I mean, it's trust me, it is to die for. The water is cold, as we did mention. But yo, my quick thing on the porridge. That porridge was the best porridge I've ever had. I'm a big fan of omni porridge, but this one for me, it has literally taken the cake. I would definitely make this porridge again. If you guys have ever had a strange porridge like this, drop in the comments and let me know. If you do enjoy videos like these where we try to, you know, interact with different people from different cultures, drop in the comments and say do more videos like these. And oh, I forgot the brownies thing. Oh snap, for us to do it. If you guys still want to see me and Sam link up to do the porridge, yo, just say bake those brownies. It's getting closer to that video. Anyway, guys, remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
So we were about to leave, but I went for my ritual swim. Like, you can't be at the waterfalls and not go take that swim. So took my shirt off and stuff and went into the water. The water is cold as ice. But I said to Kiana, like, there's no way you can have people in this cold water and not know what they're going through as your models. You see me?
So we are boost him up so he can go out, you know, and embark on this journey. Water cold. It's the coldest it has ever been since I've been going into that falls, but it's worth it. It feels healing, like the joints and everything. I can't even explain it, but that coldness, that shock.
It's cool, no? It's cool. Just embrace the nature, dog. Just feel the water. You see me? It's different, man. Zafazafazino,